Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to build a couple of these pull-out trays. Not for this cabinet, but for a cabinet in my kitchen, which is pretty similar to this locker cabinet that I built over the summer. Pretty much the same construction, but it's just going to be a pinch nicer just for the kitchen. So that's what we're going to do today. Birch plywood. I actually picked up a whole stack of these for $2 each, and they're 20 by 20, and this is what I'm going to use for the slide out trays. I already have some 18-inch slides. They are about 2 inches shorter than I normally would use in this application, but this is what I have on hand. So the sides of the tray is going to be the thickness of this roller. That way I can utilize as much space on the inside of the cabinet as possible. And the only thing that's really going to go on these is like canned goods and boxes of hamburger helper and stuff like that. So first thing I need to do is rip these down to roughly 2 inches. So this is essentially what the tray is going to look like. I got to round it over and add this last piece. The last piece has to be strictly glued. All the other ones were glued and stapled. On the sides, the slides are going to cover the staples, and on the back, you're not going to see those. But on the front, you will see the staples if I include them. So on the front, I'm not going to put any staples. I'm just going to glue it, clamp it real good, and let it set.